What's up guys, Ryan from the MXG channel. I'm back today with another battle of the boxes. We've been doing these for a whole year now, and I've got some feedback from a few of you guys to say you appreciate them, you like them, so I'm going to keep doing them. We have the same three we normally do: Moto Delivered, Prime Moto, and the Brat Box. So, you know, Christmas is not quite here yet. You still got time. These make an awesome Christmas present. I will put the links down below. You can get them by the single month. You can get them by 3 months. I think some of them you can get by the yearly subscription. No contracts. You can cancel anytime. So keep that in mind, and let's dig into what's in your December Moto subscription boxes. Let me just say that all 3 boxes feel pretty heavy this month. Okay. I see some more Tusk stuff from Prime Moto. So Tusk sticker there on top. And oh my gosh, guys, this is something I can really use. The complete Tusk Allen wrench or hex key set here. So 10 piece, you're gonna get all the way from 2 millimeters to 10 millimeters. This is definitely one of the most useful tools you can have around the garage. I have about 4 sets of these, and I can use even more. A muck-off beanie, so we are seasonally correct there. This will definitely get some use. And Silcoline Silco Pen. I'm not familiar with Silco Pen, so let's see what it is. Graphite-rich penetrating spray, releases seized and threaded parts, lubricates and cleans cables, protects against dirt and corrosion, and just general lubrication. So everybody can use that. So that's going to be it for Prime Moto this month. 3 items: the muck-off beanie, classic toboggan style with the little piece on the top, the Silcoline Silco Pen, and the Tusk T-handles with the Tusk sticker. Alright, let's move to Moto Delivered. They have a really cool packing tape here. It says Born to Ride. It's got their helmet logo on it. Oh, I already see more Muck-Off brand stuff right here on the top. So we have the Muck-Off chain cleaning brush and some Born to Ride stickers under there. So this chain cleaning brush is very similar to like the grunge brush that's been out forever. This side fits perfectly on your chain. It's just easy to clean. This, again, you got your long bristles over here. Oh wow, we have some Moto Delivered brand socks. They actually have the MD logo on them. They're teal and gray and like a graphite color. Pretty cool. So these are standard size. This will fit men's 7 to 13, women's 8.5 plus. So pretty much anybody can use these. These look good. Muck-Off all-weather chain lube. And Pro Peak Chewy snack bar. And I actually tested out the Pro Peak Chewy snack bar that was in the last Moto Delivered box, and it was yummy. So this one's peanut butter chocolate flavor, so pretty cool. Alright, that looks like that's it for Moto Delivered, so let's go to the Brat Box. So the Brat Box is definitely my favorite box design. It's got the mountains on the back, it's got the splatter here and the goggles, the goggle logo. Looks like the tape is a riders only with that goggle logo as well. It says riders only on the front of the box right there. Check this out. Nice. So right off the top this time, we've got this one's Racer X magazine. So there's nobody that can't use that, that's for sure. More Muck-Off. Guys, every single one of these boxes had Muck-Off products. So that must say something about Muck-Off. This is the Foam Fresh. So you can spray this in your, your body armor, your helmet liner, boots, shoes, stuff like that. It's going to freshen everything up. We've seen this before. Also, Muck-Off bug and tar remover. So, you're just going to remove, whether it be from lenses or this really comes in handy on like dual sport or adventure bike or street bike helmet shields, stuff like that. We have Rhino Power Mana Gel. This stuff is really good. It's like candy pretty much to me. Here we have some more Moto socks. These are the Thor MX socks. We have a coupon here for 15% off at AOMC.mx, like we do just about every month in the Brat Box. Infinite phone ring, universal smartphone and tablet ring. And it's actually logoed with the Brat Box on the front of it, so that is really cool. Nice stickers, and these are actually individually packaged, unlike the other boxes where the stickers just kind of float around. We've got the Brat Box piston stickers, and we've got the helmet sticker, and then we've got a bigger version of the helmet and a slightly smaller version of the pistons. There's the bag, and then a t-shirt. FMF. Let's pop this sucker open and take a look at it. Looks like this is the FMF Bright Side tee. Yeah, check that thing out. Black and kind of like a coral color. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks pretty good. Who doesn't want an FMF t-shirt, right? And that is it for the Brat Box. That kind of gives you an idea of what you're looking at for the Brat Box. Okay guys, as I said before, all these links are going to be down in the description. They make awesome holiday gifts. And if you appreciate these videos, all you need to do is subscribe, hit the like button, or maybe tell one of these guys that you saw the videos here. I appreciate it very much. I'll be back in January with another Battle of the Boxes.